Hello friends, today's topic, see the list of new 10 large caps. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, reviews the market capitalization of stocks once in 6 months and classifies all stocks as large cap, mid cap and small cap. This classification is done so that mutual funds can invest accordingly in these companies. For example, a large cap fund will be allowed to only invest in stocks which are classified as large cap as per AMFI. Similarly, for mid cap and small cap funds also. AMFI will review all stocks in December end and announce a list of stocks in each category, large cap, mid cap and small cap for February to July 2025 period. The announcement is expected the first week of January 2025. As per SEBI rules, top 100 companies in terms of market capitalization are called large cap companies, rank 101 to 250 are mid cap companies and rank 251 and below are classified as small cap companies. AMFI's official announcement will be made in the next 1 or 2 weeks in January 2025. Nuvama Alternative and Quantitative Research anticipates the following cutoff. AMFI classification for February to July 2025 period. 1. Large cap. Market cap cutoff in June 2024 above 84,000 crores. Expected market cap cutoff in December 2024 1 lakh crores. 2. Mid cap 27,500 to 84,000 crores in June 2024 and December 2024 32,800 to 1 lakh crores. 3. Small cap. Below 27,500 crores was June 2024 and expected market cap cutoff in December 2024 is below 32,800 crores. Usually when such a classification happens, mutual funds increase investment in certain companies and decrease investment in other companies. Stocks likely to be upgraded to large cap from mid cap category. 1. CG Power and Industrial Solutions. 2. Rail Vikas Nigam. 3. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. 4. Polycab India. 5. Cummins India. 6. Info Edge. 7. Hyundai Motors India. 8. Bajaj Housing Finance. 9. NTPC Green. 10. Swiggy. Now, stocks likely to be upgraded to mid cap from small cap category. 1. GET and D. 2. 361 WAM. 3. Keynes Technology. 4. Aditya Birla Fashion. 5. Wari Energies. 6. Premier Energies. 7. Vishal Megamart. 8. Ola Electric Mobility. Stocks likely to be downgraded from mid cap to small cap. 1. Delivery. 2. Poonawalla FinCorp. 3. Hindustan Copper. 4. Motherson Sumi Wiring. 5. Global Health. Again continuing, 6. Gland Pharma. 7. Bandhan Bank. 8. Bangalore Refinery Petrochemicals. 9. Go Digit General Insurance. 10. Star Health Insurance. At the end of the video, here is a question. Which stock in your portfolio has the lowest market capitalization? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.